Hi, welcome to Ray Purpose Made, where I, Reinaldo, show you the ins and outs of some of my furniture projects. I try to always incorporate art into the furniture making process so that each finished piece is custom and one of a kind. Check out how I do it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see what's coming up next. Is the rent still too damn high? Do you love your apartment and your location, but you just wish you had a little bit more space? Want to turn a one bedroom into a two bedroom? That's exactly what I'm doing today. I'm turning one of Lisa's bedrooms into a two bedroom so that both of her children can have their own private spaces. I have a background in architecture, so that means whether I'm building a bed or a desk or a table or a room divider, I'm building it house tough. And another thing I learned in architecture is that I have a very, very slim chance of finding the stud I need right at the location I want it to be to build this wall here. So what I did was build a couple of these pieces right here. Those pieces are the pieces that find the studs in the wall. And then I'm finding more than one stud. I'm finding like 3 and 4 studs because those pieces span both sides of this wall. So now I'm connected to the wall. So when I build this piece, it is as strong as if it came from the wall over there. This isn't just a room divide project, it's also a loft bed project. This used to be a fairly large room and now it's two kind of small rooms. And the best way to optimize all the space you could possibly have in a smaller room is to go vertical. So one side is going to have a loft bed, and that loft bed is partially supported by the wall I just created, and then the other side is going to have a regular bed, but that child doesn't really spend much time in the room. He's more of a cook. So this way, it's a lot of space below where I am right now, and then it's also space midway up towards the ceiling. That way, this smaller room still has a lot more dimension and a lot more space. This is the area of the project where it's the most detailed and my favorite. My favorite because it is the most detailed. This is the area where I attach my wall to the wall. This is the area where you get up to the bed above, where the cats get up to the bed above. And I created a handlebar just for like coming down the loft. It makes it a little bit easier to hold on to. A lot of detail had to be here, and it's severely, severely reinforced. When I just had the wall up before the loft bed, there was a lot of wobbling. I knew it would be a lot of wobbling because the bed isn't just on the wall, it actually reinforces the wall as well. So because of that, the wall got stronger and stronger and stronger as I built the bed. So now it's like immovable. It's bolted to the wall here, it's bolted to the opposite wall, and it's also bolted to the floor. So it's pretty secure even when someone like jumps up on it like I did a couple of hours ago. So it's good. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Stick around, there is a little bit more, but I want to take this time to ask you to like, share, subscribe, follow my videos. You can click on the little bell at the bottom so you'll know when I drop a new video every Wednesday. And if you want to see more of my work, keep in touch, or have your very own Ray Purpose piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Ray Purpose. Thank you. Now keep watching. The amount of extra space in this room is immeasurable. With the bed above my head, it's like the floor area is a whole extra room. And there could be so much stuff added to this space without making it feel cluttered because the bed is above you. There could be a dresser here. There could be a desk, hint, hint. There could be so much stuff here.